Hello and welcome to the essay series. Today you're going to learn how to write an introduction and create a Google document. The first thing you want to do is go into your Google Chrome tab and log into your Gmail account. Once you have logged into your Gmail account, you're going to click these little boxes up here and click on the drive. The next thing you want to do is press New and create a new Google document. Up in the left-hand corner, you will see a space that says Untitled Document. Click it, erase it, type your last name, underscore first name, underscore Angelo, essay, and press Enter. Next, you're going to press the Share button and type in my email address so that you are able to share it with me. And again, my email address is found here. And press Send. Now I'm able to see and give you feedback on your essay. Now you're going to open up a new tab and type in tinyurl.com/ELA-module2 and press Enter. Now you'll see this screen. The first thing you want to do before writing an introduction is figure out exactly what you want your essay to be about. This first slide on the introductory paragraph module gives you a couple of example thesis statements. Your job is going to be to pick your favorite thesis statement and put it into your essay. So after reading the two thesis statements, I've decided I really like this first one, so I'm going to copy and paste it into my document. Oops. Okay. So now that I have a thesis statement, I can begin to build my introductory paragraph around it. So let's go back to this module and take a look at the introductory paragraph notes. You should have taken these notes at some point in the last couple of weeks, but this should be a good review. So looking at my notes, I see that the first thing I need is a hook sentence. This should make your reader want to keep reading. You could use a fact about Maya Angelou, you could ask a rhetorical question, or you could use a moving quote. That might be a good way to start off your paragraph. So I really like the idea of using a quote. So I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to type in Maya Angelou quotes. The quote that I see that I really like is this first one. So I'm going to copy and paste the quote into my introductory paragraph. The next thing that I'm going to need is a topic sentence. This should tell me who the author is, what the book is called, and what is being analyzed. So I want to make sure that in my topic sentence, I somehow address my theme, which I've decided is going to be race. So I'm going to click after my hook, and I'm going to type in my topic sentence. So first I'm going to start with the name of the book. Next, I'm going to describe who wrote the book and what year it was written in. Now I'm going to give a little bit of background information about Maya Angelou and what the book is about. I want to make sure it connects to my theme of race, so I'm going to pick my words really precisely and carefully. Now, I want to give just a little bit more background information so that my readers really understand what the novel is about. I want to really connect it to my theme of race. So I'm going to give a little bit more information about the relationship with race in the novel. Now that my readers have a little bit more background information, I am going to begin to edit my introductory paragraph so that it's complete. The first thing I need to do is make sure it's all one paragraph and that my paragraph is indented by pressing the Tab button on the left-hand side of your keyboard. Next, I want to make sure that I introduce my quote correctly. Right now, there's no quotation marks around my quote, so my reader has no idea that I didn't say it. So I have to tell my reader who said it and put quotation marks around it. Great. Now that I've added quotation marks, I have to fix the formatting of my introduction. So I'm going to highlight it, make sure that it's not italicized, and make sure it's all the same size, as well as all in the same font. Now I'm going to reread my introductory paragraph to make sure that there's no grammatical mistakes or awkward phrasing. Maya Angelou once said, "There is no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you." I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is a novel written by Maya Angelou in 1969. In the novel, Angelou describes what it's like to grow up in a racist Southern environment during the Jim Crow era. Maya explores instances from early childhood, such as run-ins. Uh-oh, I found a mistake. There we go. Such as run-ins with the KKK, as well as more subtle instances, such as the difference in growing up between white and black children. Angelou uses tone, conflict, and figurative language to develop the theme of race. Well, now that I've read my paragraph out loud and I've corrected my grammatical mistake, it looks like my introductory paragraph is ready to go. So good luck with your introductory paragraph, and please let me know if you have any additional questions. Thanks for listening.